The house buzzes with anticipation as Eid preparations unfold, filling every corner with warmth and joy. Mirha's nimble fingers dance as she carefully places vibrant ornaments, adding splashes of color to the festive scene. Hussein watches quietly from the corner, his gaze drifting between the decorations and the loving figures of his mother and sister. The air is thick with the intoxicating aroma of festive cooking, a symphony of spices and sweet scents promising culinary delight. Mother's gentle affirmation, Mirha Beta, you've been a great help, thank you, echoes the warmth and gratitude filling the air. Hussein enters his room, a sanctuary of childhood dreams. He approaches his bed, a silent promise etched on his face. Hussein kneels, hope flickering in his eyes as he reaches for the small tin money box. He opens the box, revealing its meager contents. His voice resonates with heartfelt intention. This is for Aapi, so she can buy chocolates for Eid. The promise of Eid hangs in the air, sweetening the humble offering. Hussein, with an innocent smile, approaches Mirha, a glint of mischief in his eyes. He secretly places a 1 rupee coin in Mirha's hand, a gesture of pure childlike generosity. Here, Aapi, you can buy chocolates for Eid, Hussein exclaims, his eyes sparkling with anticipation. Mirha's heart melts as she responds, "This is all your savings, isn't it?" Their mother watches from afar, whispering a heartfelt blessing. Ya Allah, may their love always remain like this.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.